Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya observes the Police Commendation Day. Meghalaya government refutes allegation made by Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala. Meghalaya's Southwest Khasi Hills District KSU opposes setting up coke factories. Meghalaya government intends to convert the existing road between Umyam and Ribhoi district and Ratachera in Janta Hills. And now the news in detail. Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya today observed the Police Commendation Day to pay tributes to all police personnel who died in the line of duty. In this connection, the State Police of West Janta Hills today observed the day with reverence at Joy Police Reserve. Speaking on the occasion, the Superintendent of Police Bikram D. Marak said, on this occasion, the country also remembers all those police who died on the call of duty while fighting against the Chinese soldiers at Ladakh in 1959. As a mark of respect to the departed police personnel, the Superintendent of Police B.K. Marak, Additional SP B. Chetri, Deputy SP C.W. Lingdor, Deputy SP M.J. Marngar and other police personnel observed few minutes of silence, including placing of wreaths.
Bengal 17, Andaman and Nicobar Island 2, Chandigarh 2, Delhi 6, Jammu and Kashmir 17, Ladakh 1, and from the Central Forces, Assam Rifles 3, BSF 47, CISF 8, CRPF 82, ITBP 54, NSG 1, SSB 5, FSCD and HG, this is Civil Defense and Home Guards 3, NDRF 1, RPF 8. So I'll go with the details as per the name now. From Andhra Pradesh, Inspector Y. Sridhar Reddy, ARSI J. Krishnanudu, ASI S. Iqbal Hussain, ARHC Y. Babu Rao, ARHC T. Anthony, HC KKV Satya Narayan Murthy, ARPC A. Surya Narayan, ARPC P. Janardhan Rao, Home Guard P. Siva Subha Rayudu, Home Guard P. Surendra Rao, Home Guard Mohammed Nizamuddin. From Arunachal Pradesh, SI Ikop Tate, ASI from Telecom.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong today said that the appeal of militant organization HNLC not to vote for the National People's Party will not have any impact on the party in the coming assembly election. Speaking to the media, Tensong termed the appeal as personal and not of the organization.
Okay, the appeal is personal. Maybe HNC does not like NPP. I think that is their view, that is their wish. But saying that please don't vote, I think the constitutional right of every voters, every citizens of the state, they have their own liberty to decide. So it is purely to the wisdom of the voters, each voters, to vote to which party. The question of clash of interest, I think, does not arise at all. See, being a minister or being in the government, our focus is for the development of the state. I think that is our agenda. Irrespective of any party, irrespective of any denomination within the MDA, but the common agenda of the government, MDA government, is to make sure developmental activities get flowing up to the last mile of Meghalaya.
Meghalaya government intends to convert the existing road between Umyam and Ribhoi district and Ratachera in Janta Hills into a 4-lane national highway. This was disclosed by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong. Speaking to the media, Tensong said, work on this road which connects the Barak Valley in Assam has started, but it is yet to gain momentum due to the rain. He, however, disclosed that 10% of the entire stretch of the road has already been completed.
I'm not involved directly because this is the issue which has to be taken care of by the district collector. So district collector is taking care of all this, but I'm just telling you of all, we wanted to complete this project as early as possible. So we really wanted to complete as early as possible, especially this 4 lane, because we have seen it the moment you cross Shirpi Bridge towards 7 Mile, towards Upper Shillong side. It's so unfortunate. Or people coming, the moment they reach Upper Shillong, the moment they reach 7 Mile, coming down to Shillong, it takes them to reach Shillong not less than 1.5 to 2 hours. So this is so important road, so important 4 lane road, so important project. I would request all concerned stakeholders, please work together with the government. Let us make sure that the 4 lane construction is completed at the earliest. Once that is done, I'm telling you, it is the blessing for the entire state.
Meghalaya government today refuted the allegation made by Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala, terming the state government of converting the check gates and COVID center in Nongpo as ATMs. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said he was not interested to debate on that. However, Tinsong bluntly said that if the Lok Sabha member who represents the Shillong parliamentary constituency and president of Meghalaya Pradesh Coordination Committee, Vincent Pala, is having concrete evidence on that, he can file an FIR against the government at the nearest police station.
My reaction is very simple. The president of MPCC, when he talked, I'm sure he talked with documentary proof. If he do have a documentary proof, I think the nearest police station is always there. Let him file FIR. Because I don't want debate. Why should we debate? But if the allegation is true, I think Congress party must have quite a number of legal experts within the party. So legal course of action should be taken immediately. And if not, it's only a mere allegation. I think, again, the statement made by the MPCC president is very immeasured, I should say. If he says that MDA is not united, that is totally wrong. He needs to understand one thing, be it NDA, be it UPA, be it MDA in the state, when election comes, are you trying to say that UPA should be only with Congress alone? Though, of course, the major number of MPs.
The Khasi Students' Union of Southwest Khasi Hills District today expressed strong opposition for setting up coke factories in their district. The student body said that they met the officials of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board and member secretary of the Single Window Agency government and urged them not to give the environmental clearance for setting up of coke factories as they will pollute the environment. Speaking to the media, the President Forward Man Nongram said that the student body is opposing the establishment of coke factories because they will pollute the entire environment and turn acidic all the rivers and streams of their area.
bara ka kaporo nila pandai bala penuh kolong ba min ya keduk lang bu jadi keduk lang ya di melam senong di sengit ni sang sama berkilu kiwe di bro di basau kya pun nanti kedong katain ba nyok berakran na gede bukan ya benta nomor nyun kwa ba kadong katain jungi kan kelalong kun ka nila bang ong ba di pada kini ban ring kebun khut kebun subasu kun ba kalong menta ni pasajur gede kini benta nila ada yang kedua di SM kedua di Trajaka nila pensengau saja ba nakalani so pasal ada kami di nomor katangi karpat.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.